Hey everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, bigger the CoinsKid crew. If you are looking for regular, updated, daily content on XRP, get involved in the Discord. We've got fantastic analysts in there, fantastic community, back and forth, ideas, trade, short, long, whatever. You know, it's fantastic, and I would highly recommend you get involved. The link's in the video description right there. So technically, at the moment, XRP is incredibly bullish. It's 62% above its bull market support band. You've got macro greed pushing up into the sell signal right now, so it's incredibly bullish. It's one of the most bullish coins in the top 10. Look at this. You've only got one other coin that's pushed up as much. Trump coin. It's absolutely bolted. We've got Bitcoin, which is pushing up as well. That's incredibly bullish. 18.3% above its bull market support band. There's not many coins that have pushed up so much other than Trump. So by, bullish support band, what we've got is a 62% margin, basically, where we're pushing away from that particular bull market support band. And if you take a look, really simply, if I'm just looking at data with yourselves right now, there is an opportunity staring you in the face on this particular index, and it's really simple. For those people, if you're looking for an opportunity, macro trend is bullish. Obviously, you're fully aware in a bull market, everything's doing incredibly well. We're just caught in a range, we're consolidating a range. I don't see any reason to call a bear market in a minute. I'll show you exactly why in a moment. There's no indicators, indicators or data's telling me that we're in a bear market. I just think that we're still in this bull market. We're looking for a next impulse up to the upside. I'm looking at opportunities across the board, looking at data, looking at signals. What is the opportunity? Well, XRP, fantastic. We've done incredibly well on that. I think we're buying at 40 cents down there, and it's bolted, almost got to the $4 target. I think it topped out about 340, and right now it's going sideways in corrective price structure. So for me, there's another leg up there in XRP. A lot of people say I'm an idiot and biased or moon boy, whatever, but I'm just looking at the fifth wave. I don't think it's had a fifth wave yet, and I'll show you exactly why in a moment. But really simply, if you're looking for an opportunity, there's one staring you right in the face on the index here, and it's Ethereum. Okay, so basically Ethereum at the moment is 0.1% above its bull market support band. It's a laggard, isn't it? It's not doing very well, but I think it's being missed, okay, because I do think there's a move here because of a pattern on Ethereum. I know this is an XRP video, but this is what I do. I trade patterns on this channel. For example, for those people who remember, there was a beautiful inverse head and shoulders on XRP down here, okay, and I did relays to you why I did think we would see this major move to the upside, because just here there was a beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern, and I did relays to you. I made a video on it. Look at that. So there's your left shoulder, just there. There's your big head, there's your right shoulder, and then boom, you broke out. Okay, and this is what I was relaying. I was showing the video that this is equally confidence at this point. I do think right now is an opportunity on XRP for the big break to the upside. So that was a pattern that showed. I put in the videos, posted in Discord, but equally there's another pattern here on this laggard coin, and this is what I always try and do on this channel. I'll always try and find opportunities to you and deliver them in the videos and Discord and Twitter and so forth. And I just think people are just ignoring Ethereum. I think they're quite bearish on Ethereum, but structurally, data is telling me that there's an opportunity here. Okay, and this is what I do. I try and find opportunity for you. So again, switch to the weekly time frame. I've already relayed this to the CoinsKid crew. There's a beautiful inverse head and shoulders here, and this could be exactly where XRP was last year. So there's a neckline. Look at that. So get this neckline in as best you can. What you always want to do with your trend lines is get as many points of contact as you can. So I think we've got a left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming back like this, potentially the same distance and depth as the left shoulder, and then boom, we break. Take out that neckline. I think you've got a major reversal pattern there, and this is a big move here for Ethereum. Where could it go to? From there to the body of the candle. Once you take out that neckline, start to hold support, I think you're looking at a major run to around about 7k, which is part of my confidence analysis. All-time highs there for Ethereum, and that march towards an 8k target, where I do have sell orders, and I've relayed that to you over the years for Ethereum. Okay, so I think you just come up, you've got this beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern. We've spotted the same pattern on XRP and traded it last year, and I think we've got a big macro pattern here on Ethereum as well. So how is it validated? Really simple, and it's the same validation point I was giving you on XRP. You break down below that low there, which is your August low, then obviously you begin to invalidate that pattern, and this is it. It's just a simple opportunity, inverse head and shoulders pattern. We take out that neckline. I think we're up there around about 7k, and obviously the push through, and this here, the fact that we're creating this potential pattern is part of my confidence why I do think we will see continuation here in this bull market. There's nothing to be bearish about on these particular projects. Now there's only one thing that I see bearish on XRP at the moment, really simple, and I'll always relay what I see. There's no bias here. It's really simple. It's high highs in the index and lower highs in the RSI. So we need to see another move in this crypto market where XRP breaks out towards that $4 target. At that point, you will begin to invalidate this bearish divergence, where in the index you're making higher highs and the candle bodies coming up the stairs making higher highs, but in the RSI you're actually making a lower high. So that's called a bearish divergence. Now if XRP rolls over at this point, then this bearish divergence was a clue to that, but I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. I do think there's a potential scenario here that XRP is about to make a move, but if it doesn't and it does start to come back like this, and again I've not got a crystal ball, I'm going to show you exactly the invalidation point. If it does start to come back down here, I think putting bids on the 20-week EMA, which is roughly $1.91, I think you'll see a big boy bounce, and that could be some kind of A, B, C expanded flat correction before a major vertical. It's possible, and I can't take it off the table. But what increases the probability of that playing out? Well, it's really simple. If we switch to, I think it's the 4-hourly time frame. So looking at XRP on a 4-hourly time frame at the moment, this is an invalidation point of an impulsive move. Really simple, okay? So stay tuned to the Discord, because obviously as things start to occur in real time, it's easier for me to get the updates out. But I think if we start to break down below those $2.50, I think there's increased probability of a drawdown into this zone here, okay, which would be for me some kind of expanded flat correction going forward. But my primary at the moment is really simple: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one I'm looking at, okay, and I think possibly that's the bottom of an ABC zigzag. A, B, C, okay, just like this: A, B, C. So impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, and right now I'm looking at another 5th wave here, where again you've got 5 waves up from this low. So the invalidation is really simple, not a crystal ball, but if we break down below this high here, then okay, we really are increasing the probability that this is all still corrective, and even this move up here is a 3-wave move. It's all corrective from this impulse here for XRP that impulsed there around about the 3rd of, when was that, 3rd of December, and all of this is a corrective move before a major move to the upside for XRP. So I'm looking for invalidation of that, and at the moment I just don't see it. At the moment I see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I think is in front of us until I start to see more data to suggest otherwise. I think February could actually be quite bullish here for XRP. So typically we've had this pullback here, A, B, C zigzag correction. We're looking at some kind of reversal pattern here, do something like this over the next few days leading into February. If we can sort of go sideways, break out back to see you later, you know, you've got a lovely little ascending triangle just there for XRP where we should continue, and from this low here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming up the stairs, okay, for XRP, where we march towards them upper targets, roughly $4 and beyond, which would be absolutely amazing. But then we are entering that 5th wave territory, and we're getting really overextended and really overbought, you know, on many time frames right there, and at that point I will become incredibly bearish on XRP, and you won't like it, but I'll be looking at other opportunities, and I think one of those opportunities could potentially be Ethereum going forward, okay? So obviously in the short term I think XRP is bullish, but if we break down below $2.50, which is this pivot point here, then there's no bias. It could increase the probability, okay, that all of this is still correction that began here for XRP. WXY correction, expanded flat in this box to the 20-week EMA before the big boy bounce of the next impulsive wave up. Either way, I'm not exiting my XRP position at the minute. I'm way in profit. I've been buying at 0.28 cents in 2022, bought 0.38 cents in January 2023 right there, and I bought 0.40 cents in July 2024 right there. So I've accumulated like a lot of XRP. The minute I start to see it create bearish market structure, the minute I start to see data across the board that we're bearish, is the minute I exit, and at that point, you know, I'll be in a massive amount of profit. But you understand the update. Stay tuned to the Discord for real-time updates, but at the moment I think we're possibly gearing up for another move into February, and I'm looking for the invalidation. The earliest invalidation point from here will be breaking down below $2.50 without taking the all-time high out there for XRP. You understand the update. Stay up, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye-bye.